Hi, and welcome to the very first episode of Master Speak English. I'm Emma, your English coach and your friend. I'm so happy you're here with me today. If you've ever felt nervous about speaking English, or if you've told yourself, I don't have time to practice, this episode is just for you. Because today we're going to talk about something simple but super powerful. How to practice English every single day, even if your schedule is busy, even if you feel shy, and even if you don't live in an English-speaking country. Let's be real. Many people believe they need to move to London or New York to speak English fluently. But that's not true at all. You don't need to move. You don't need perfect grammar, and you don't need to study for 3 hours every night. What you do need are small, smart habits, habits that fit into your daily life, the kind of habits that make English feel natural, like part of your everyday world. So, take a deep breath and let's get started. Let's begin with a question. Have you ever heard of something called shadowing? Maybe yes, maybe no, but it's one of my favorite tools to practice speaking and listening at the same time. And don't worry, it's really simple. Here's how it works. You listen to someone speaking English, like me right now, and you try to repeat exactly what they say. You don't stop, you don't translate, you don't check the dictionary. You just copy the sound like an echo. You try to match the same speed, the same tone, the same rhythm. Let's try it together. I'll say a sentence and you repeat after me. I want to speak English fluently. Now you. I listen to English every day. Now you. Shadowing helps me speak better. Now it's your turn. Amazing! That's shadowing. At first, it might feel strange. You might not understand every word, and that's totally okay. Shadowing isn't about understanding every single thing. It's about training your brain and your mouth to work together in English. It helps you get used to the sounds, the flow, and the feeling of English in your mouth. And if you do this just 5 minutes a day, I promise you'll start to feel the difference. Now let's answer the big question. How can you practice English every day? I hear this a lot from students. They tell me, Emma, I really want to improve, but I don't have time. I feel shy. I don't know where to start. And I always say, you don't need a lot of time. You just need a few smart habits that you can do daily. Here are 5 powerful ways to practice English every single day, no matter how busy you are. Habit number 1, listen to English every day. This is the most important habit. If you want to speak better, you have to listen more. Not once a week, not only in class, but every single day. Listening helps you learn new vocabulary, understand natural pronunciation, hear the rhythm and melody of English. You can listen to podcasts like this one, YouTube videos, music, or even short stories for learners. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Just relax and let the sound of English enter your ears. You can do this while walking, cooking, cleaning, or even relaxing. Make English your background music. Habit number 2, shadow what you hear. Now that you're listening, it's time to speak. After you hear a sentence, pause and repeat it out loud. Try to copy the speaker's voice, rhythm, and energy. Let's try a few together. I want to get better at English. Repeat after me. I don't understand everything, but I keep going. Your turn. I'm improving little by little. Say it with me. Repeat the same phrases again and again. You'll notice your pronunciation improves, your confidence grows, and your sentences flow more easily. Habit number 3, think in English one thought at a time. Thinking in English is a game changer. I know it feels hard at first, but don't worry. You don't need to think in long, perfect sentences. Start small. In the morning, I'm tired. It's a new day. I need coffee. On the way to work, the weather is hot. I see a red car. These little thoughts help you train your brain to switch to English naturally. Later, try to say them out loud. Even just whispering builds strong habits. Habit number 4, read aloud every day. Reading out loud is fantastic practice. Pick a short story, a dialogue, or a few paragraphs from an English website or book. First, read slowly and clearly. Then read again with more expression. Imagine you're an actress. This helps your mouth and brain work together. It improves pronunciation, fluency, and confidence, just like going to the gym, but for your English muscles. Habit number 5, make English part of your real life. Here's one of my favorite tips. Make English a natural part of your day, not something extra, something regular. Let me show you how. Change your phone's language to English. You look at your phone all the time, right? So use that time to learn new words like settings, download, notifications. Write a short diary in English. Just 3 sentences. For example, today I went to work. I was tired. I watched a funny video. Record a 1-minute voice message. At the end of the day, talk about how you feel or what you did. No one needs to hear it but you. Listening to your own voice will help you catch your mistakes and build confidence. Join an online English group. WhatsApp, Telegram, Facebook, anywhere English learners chat. Share a message, ask a question, or send a voice note. You'll feel connected and supported. You don't need to wait for the perfect moment to practice English. You can start today with just 5 minutes. Speak out loud. Think in English. Listen while you walk. Write a few words about your day. Watch one short video. Let English be part of your life, not just your homework. Let it live in your thoughts, your phone, your conversations. You're doing better than you think, and I'm here to cheer you on every step of the way. Thanks for listening to Master Speak English. Until next time, keep going, keep smiling, and keep speaking English every day. Bye for now.